or aggressive.
I'm Carl Parker, and we are watching a very dangerous storm in western Oklahoma right now. Also looking at some storms in the northeast. We'll have more on that in just a second. Want to show you this tornado warning that is now in far western Oklahoma. That is Ellis and Harper counties under warning. This is a confirmed tornado. We've been looking at a video of this storm as it's now coming towards Laverne. Very, very, very dangerous storm. Large tornado now crossing Route 270 and not very far away from Laverne at all. Motion here on this storm is now to the northeast at 30 miles per hour. So I'm going to track this out as it continues off to the northeast, going from that area up towards Laverne here. It's not very far away. Looks like it's going to be coming into Laverne at about 9:04 Central Time. So you do not have very long at all. Again, this is moving northeast at 30 miles per hour and moving into Laverne somewhere around 4 to 5 minutes after the hour. We have been looking at a debris signature with this tornado. It's not showing up as well right in there, but if I go back a couple of frames here, you can very clearly see those lowered values, those areas of green and blue coming into that circle that I've drawn there, showing you where we've had, again, a large wedge tornado, very dangerous tornado moving through this region, and now not far from Laverne at all. So please, folks, you know the drill. Get to your safe place, lowest, most interior room. If you've got a helmet, that's a great idea as well. This is a really serious tornado now crossing Route 270, and it's going to be moving into Laverne in short order, and could very well be looking at a monster tornado coming into your town here before very long. We'll continue to keep a close eye on that for you. Farther southwest, also a tornado warning for Lipscomb County going until 9 p.m. Looking at some rotation showing up near Lipscomb right now and moving to the northeast, and so that's going to be moving up towards Follett and Turner School just after the top of the hour, and Follett by about 9:20 or so. So tornado watch now through western parts of Texas and also Oklahoma, and a tornado watch in south central Kansas as well. That's going until midnight tonight. The other area that we're watching is the northeast, and I've got a new tornado warning to tell you about. I'm going to zip over to that very quickly, then we'll come back to what's going on in Pennsylvania. This is also in Pennsylvania, far eastern Pennsylvania. Carbon and Monroe counties under warning until 10:15. Let's take a look at the velocity data in this case. Unfortunately, not very clear at this time, not getting a really good look at this storm, but looking at the possibility of a tornado near Chestnut Hill. And then right in there, you can see where there's a little appendage. So if we just track that area forward, assuming that we continue to see a tornado warning, that is going to make its way towards Kemmerville, North Bangor, and Upper Mount Bethel, as well as that moves just a little to the south of east. And then another severe thunderstorm warning now for Juniata and Perry counties. This storm moving along very, very quickly, now just about out of that warning, looking at the possibility of some wind and some hail. Now coming towards the Susquehanna River and moving southeast. If we continue to see a warning there, that's going to get into Harrisburg at about 10:09 and Lower Allen at about 10:10 or so. Then farther north, we've got severe thunderstorm warnings now getting into western Massachusetts. Severe thunderstorm watch in south central Pennsylvania, parts of Maryland, and also in Ohio, West Virginia, and northern Kentucky. And we'll have more updates as necessary right here on the Weather Channel.
A sense sitting here and saying, is this real life?